Good morning, all the students of third standard. And I was saying about second lesson of social studies, the land and water on earth. So in these lessons, I told you about continent. Seven continents are there in a world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. In this way, these are the seven continents are there. Along with that, four main oceans are there. Ocean means bigger than sea. The Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic oceans. These oceans are according to their size. So to smaller than oceans to that water body we can call as a sea, and smaller than sea it is called as a base or the gulf. Next point, continents are further divided into the countries. What are the continents are there? They are further, they are more in front, that they are divided into the small countries. They are divided into the countries. India lies into the continent of Asia. Among that, India is also one country. It is into the Asian continent. Okay. Map can also be drawn for a small areas. If the area is small, then for the small area, maps are used, or they refer, showing all the detail about of that area. Maps can be folded, rolled, or hung on the wall. To show all the area about specific region or area, map can be used. It can be folded. It can be hang on the wall, or it can be rolled there. A book of map is called an atlas. If there is any one book is there of map, to that big book we can call as a atlas. If the book of the map, whatever the pictures I shown you, photo day before study or yesterday also, they are called as a map. If there is a book of that map, then to that book we can call as a atlas. Places on the maps are located according to the four directions. What are the places are there on the map? They are located, situated according to the four directions, that is north, south, east, and west directions. That north, south, east, or west directions. The north always points toward the north direction, always points toward the top of the map. If there is north direction, that north direction it is always point toward the top of the map side with the arrow. The south is also to the bottom, that, and opposite side, south is opposite of north side to the west. North means the south is to the bottom side or opposite side of the north. The west is to the left, western side is to the left of our hand, and eastern side toward the right side of our hand. Which are the interesting facts are there through this lesson? Earth is approximately 4.6 billion years old. It is in the year 1912, a German scientist Wagner put forth the continental drift. This scientist or the person, he put forth the theory idea of continent. The theory started that 200 million years ago, the continents were joined together as one land mass called as a Pangaea. What is that? 200 million years ago, that continents are there on earth, in our world. So these continents they joined together, they were the combined, they are called as a Pangaea. Further later on, the continents further drifted apart and are still doing so. That look closely at the continents of the South Africa and Africa, that, and some of they are divided, some continents they are still there, little bit attached. South Africa or the Africa regions there, they fit together like a jigsaw puzzles, that. So these continents they fix together, that they can be attached, they are attached, joined like a puzzles there. These things are there to remember which things we know. A model of the earth is called as a globe, this one point. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. Third one, there are 7 continents and 4 main oceans are there on the earth. We can locate the place on the map according to the 4 directions. So these points we have learned. It is interesting, you have to read out. Along with this, I will send you the photo of this interesting fact, and now I know this. You have to write at least minimum 2 times. Okay, bye bye.